today. We from class 7th KVVFJ Shift 2 Jabalpur are presenting our project under Buildathon for Viksit Bharat in Swadeshi theme. This project is made for the welfare of farmers. Now we are telling you something about our project and our team name is Magnet Brains 1.
This project is made for farmers. As we know, farmer involves lots of efforts in losing soil and sowing seeds. So this project will help them in losing soil and sowing seeds. Now our team leader will tell you about our project in brief.
As we can see here are written the operational challenges faced by farmers and our solutions. We know that farmers face lots of problems and challenges. So we have found the solutions of those problems. The problem number 1 is stability issue. Problem: machines sometimes tipped or uneven ground. We know that if we drive any vehicle, sometimes one of the wheels of the vehicle gets into a hole or any uneven ground. So this is a stability issue. We added a wider stabilizer wheels and lowered the center of gravity for enhanced balance. Number 2 is steering difficulties. Controlling direction with heavy attachment was challenging. So we know that if the vehicle is heavy, so we face some kind of problem in controlling that vehicle. So we have also found a solution for that. We introduced an improved handlebar design and added powder steering assist for easier maneuverability. Number 3 is physical fatigue. Farmers experience exhaustion during extended use. We know that old farmers also do farming. So this cycle cultivator is easy to use, easy to ride, and this will also help them in sowing seed and losing soil very easily. Construction challenges and solutions. We first took a basic bicycle and attached spades at the back wheel. This will help in removing weeds, and this will also and we have attached 2 spades, so this will also balance on both sides. Sustainable innovation, design and material of the cycle cultivator. As I told you before, we have used a basic bicycle, a robust cultivating attachment, optional electric power assist. We first took a basic bicycle, attached spades at the back wheel, and we also took help of electric assistance. Here are the key benefits of a cycle cultivator. Number 1, versatile multi-tool functionality. This cycle cultivator performs like 2-in-1. It also loses soil, but it not only loses soil but also removes weeds. Sustainable and eco-friendly design. This cycle cultivator not releases pollution and is also eco-friendly. Lightweight and highly portable. It is so lightweight that it can be easily taken from one place to another place. Now, here is the prototype of our project. Now, 2 of our team members are going to explain this.
This image you a close-up view of the cycle cultivator, a clever machine designed to make farming easier and more sustainable for small-scale farmers. It works by attaching various tools to a modified bicycle frame, allowing farmers to quickly switch between tasks.
Sustainable uses recycled bicycle parts and requires no fuel. Efficient, help with plowing, weeding and furrowing. User-friendly, lightweight, portable and easy to maneuver in different fields.
This is the prototype of our project.
Now here we can see the conclusion of our project. Affordability. As we know, not all farmers can afford a tractor. So this is low budget and affordable for all those farmers who can't afford tractor. Sustainability. This project is eco-friendly, not reduces pollution, and also does the work of 2-in-1, losing soil and removing weeds. Local impact strengthens local agriculture, leading to enhanced food production and self-reliance. It also strengthens the local agriculture so that everyone can agriculture very easily and low budget. This was our project about cycle cultivator. I hope you liked it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.